guys, welcome back to Number 9 Farms. Today we're going to be making the rice, what I call the rice I make, but basically it's yellow rice and it doesn't matter what kind you have. This one is already seasoned. I get it at Food Lion, and like I said, I don't know, but it comes in a little jug like this. But this brand we found at the supply house, so this right here would not be something you would see at Food Lion. But basically, I just do 3 cups of rice, and I'm gonna put the camera down on you so you can see all this. As soon as I measure out the rice, 3 cups of rice, right? Now, bring this over. And what I have next is a jar of our chicken that is canned, and I'm gonna drain the chicken. See if I can get you where you can see everything. And once again, I'm gonna try my luck. I have my glasses on. Yay, look. Drain the chicken. And I'm gonna use all this juice now, so don't, it's gonna be part of our juice for, and then I have some of our chilies that we did, the hatch chilies that I pressure canned. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I wish you could smell them. Oof, that juice might be a little hot. I think I'm gonna drain that juice just to be on the safe side, because if it's too hot, nobody's gonna want it. But I usually use like a mild jar of hatch chilies or whatever chilies that you can find, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'll try one. Oh yeah. They're hot, but they're good. They're very good. Very, very good. And I had bought those at Wegmans actually at the beginning of the year. I mean, not the beginning of the year, beginning of like, around, I don't know, June maybe, something like that, July. And then I've got a jar of our canned pinto beans. So, cooking from the pantry stock tonight. Same thing. I'll go ahead and just drain them right into the bowl over here, little strainer. All right, dump those in. And the reason I'm draining everything is because I want to make sure the amount of liquid that I have in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and measure out, let's see, so I did 3 cups of rice. So I'm gonna need 4 cups of water. And my boys are home, so if you hear them in the back, and Bruce is wrapping stuff up, so you might hear that noise too. And then I've got, this is just regular canned tomato sauce. Dump that in. And this is all in the little rice cooker that we're doing all this in tonight. I was debating on whether I was even gonna make a video, because I was like, oh, it's late. And we had 2 guests, well, 3 guests today, but a couple and one of my dear friends from YouTube came and visited today. Hi, Michelle. And we had the best time. I enjoyed it. I didn't want it to end. We could have just chit chat all day. It's just wonderful. And then Wes and Brenda showed up, and Oh, it was just so nice. So now you see what I'm doing right here. And Michelle brought me the nicest gift. I'm gonna show y'all at the end of the video. And my stand for my camera is leaking down, should I say, because it's kind of like on a stand, but I need to get a new one. But it keeps leaking down, so every time I put the camera up, it leaks down. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a splash of the Hatch chili juice in there too. All right, now I really don't put any spices because the rice comes with the spices. This is a simple, easy meal. Has the chicken already in it, and the boys can throw it on a burrito. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn the rice cooker on. Cook, and ta-da! I'll be back when it's all done, and we'll see how this looks and tastes. All right, guys, so it is done. Looky here. See how yummy that turned out? And it smells amazing. So I took a little sample. I'm not gonna tell you, but anyways, this is the mild salsa that we made, Bruce and I. There's a video actually for that and how we did that. We're gonna be putting sour cream. We got the regular burritos here, and I grated up some cheese with the food processor, and Bruce bought these chips the other day, so we have those also to go with it. But the boys will just make a burrito, and then I also threw those in only because not that they needed that or anything, but because I have a lot of biscuits and they are not gonna make my next adventure in life, so they are going to, I'm still not telling y'all yet, but anyways, they're not gonna make that journey, so they're gonna have to be cooked every night. Biscuits that we have in the freezer from Schwann's. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a plate. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and sample this. I'm gonna get it closer here so you can see the rice tonight. Yeah, so I've been waiting to get this. Oh my God. Very, very good. All right, guys. Today I wanted to show you a little something. A friend of mine, a YouTube fan, came over and she brought me a gift. So let's see. Look at the bag. I have a feeling that my guardian angel often looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? And she said when she saw the bag, she knew that was for me. And I'm just wondering what this could be. And look at the paper. Look! I love this kind of paper. This is almost like a Tim Holtz type thing. All right, guys. I'm nervous. I'm like not the kind of person that wants to sit it and have everybody watch her open a gift. Oh, I'm just not that. Oh. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And it's purple too. Oh my gosh. I love that. Michelle. And it's like a little candy dish. It reminds me of the candy dishes. Look, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it.
It was the bees and the purple. That's what sold me. I was like, it's gone.
Today I received my book from Justin Rhode. So let's just see. I'll put the camera down on it. Oh, I got a sticker. Okay, let's see if maybe mine got one of the sign from Justin. Let's just hope.
Yeah, let's hope.
Ah!
There you go.
Look!
He signed it.
Yay! I was one of the 150 that he was gonna sign that last day. Yay! That's awesome.
We'll put that on our topper.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my topper on my old Suburban.
On my mountain car.
Woo! Peace out, guys.